Midjourney, a company famous for generating highly detailed AI images, is now aiming for the interior of the human body. Founder David Holtz recently sat on stage to introduce Midjourney Medical, a dedicated division attempting to reconstruct our physical relationship with our own health. The company built its reputation on internet-scale image generation and high-profile copyright disputes with Disney. Now they are pivoting that technical infrastructure towards preventative healthcare. This move sets up a direct collision between the ambitions of Silicon Valley and the unyielding laws of medical physics. Looking inside the human body today often involves hardware invented before the personal computer. Patients spend an hour inside a claustrophobic MRI tube that feels like a screaming industrial machine. Faster CT scans exist, but they come with a microdose of radiation. DEXA scans are more accessible, but they provide little data beyond basic body composition. Even when the technology works, the system surrounding it is gated by a gauntlet of referrals, insurance disputes, and months-long wait times. For many, these delays allow manageable conditions to progress into something far more dangerous. The diagnostic industry is slow, expensive, and buried in bureaucracy, creating a massive opening for an outsider to bypass the hospital system entirely. Midjourney's answer is a device called ultrasonic CT, designed to provide rapid, radiation-free imaging at a fraction of the current cost. The process replaces the cold metal tube with a shallow pool of warm water. A platform slowly lowers you into the liquid for the scan. A submerged ring of 500,000 microscopic sensors begins firing ultrasonic waves through your body 1,000,000 times per second. As those waves bounce back, they generate terabytes of noisy data every second, a chaotic map of your internal structure. Midjourney processes that noise using the same AI denoising algorithms they spent years perfecting for their art generator, instantly reconstructing a sharp 3D model of your anatomy. This system uses the physics of raw sound and mathematical deduction to build a digital twin of your internal organs. To bring this to the public, the company is launching the Midjourney Spa, a 25,000 square foot facility slated for San Francisco in 2027. They are swacking the sterile hospital walls for steam saunas, deep cold plunges, and pools of golden light. By centering the experience around luxury amenities, they turn a high-stakes medical checkup into a casual byproduct of a relaxing afternoon. If you remove the friction and the clinical atmosphere, preventative full-body scans could transition from a rare medical necessity into a routine habit. Despite the high-end branding, many medical professionals remain skeptical of the underlying technology. Traditional ultrasound is highly effective for soft, squishy tissues near the skin surface, like the thyroid, kidneys, or abdomen. This diagram shows the literal wall Midjourney's plan faces. Sound waves cannot travel through air or bone. The skull and the lungs act as physical shields, leaving the brain and chest cavity entirely invisible to these sensors. Even the most advanced software cannot generate data that the hardware is physically incapable of collecting. The 60-second marketing claim is also at odds with their current prototype, which currently takes 20 minutes to complete a single pass. Without FDA clearance for disease detection, the machines are currently only legally permitted to report on body composition, telling you what a bathroom scale already could. Yet the roadmap is massive. By 2031, Midjourney aims to deploy 50,000 machines to provide monthly soft tissue scans to 1 billion people. The physics of the skull and lungs remain an obstacle. However, building a global infrastructure to make soft tissue imaging as common as a hot bath represents a rare case of a profitable AI lab using its capital to tackle physical human health. Even with its blind spots, 1 billion scans a month would normalize preventative diagnostics on a scale the current healthcare system cannot match.